I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on Binance. First, you'll need to set up your account. Register on the Binance website or app using your email or phone number. It's a quick process. Next, complete identity verification, also known as KYC, by submitting required documents. This step is crucial for security and compliance. Finally, enable two-factor authentication, like Google Authenticator, to add an extra layer of protection. This ensures your funds are safe and secure. Once your account is secure, it's time to fund your wallet. You have a few options. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, directly using a bank transfer, a credit or debit card, or through various third-party payment providers. Another popular method is to transfer existing cryptocurrency from an external wallet you already own. Always double-check for any minimum deposit requirements, and be aware of potential transaction fees before confirming your transfer. Now for the exciting part, buying your crypto. On the Binance platform, easily find the Buy Crypto section. Here, select the specific cryptocurrency you want to acquire, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to spend or the quantity you want to buy. Then, choose your payment method, whether it's fiat currency from your balance or a direct card purchase. Review all transaction details carefully before confirming your order. Congratulations, you've successfully bought cryptocurrency. You can view your newly acquired assets in your spot wallet or funding wallet on Binance. For long-term security, many users transfer a significant portion of their assets to a cold storage wallet, which is offline and highly secure. Binance also offers various other features, such as staking your crypto to earn rewards or participating in earning opportunities, allowing your digital assets to potentially grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.